Okay, so now we learned a little bit about the graphs of exponential functions and how they kind of work. We're going to go ahead and use them to solve problems. So an exponential function usually looks like this: a, and then inside 1 plus or minus b to the power of x. Now, plus or minus, because this tells us whether we are growing or whether we are decaying. Now, those are two very specific things that we need to remember: growth versus decay. Our A is usually going to be our starting value. Our B is how much we grow or decay based on a percentage growth or decay. Decay. So then our X will be our time, usually in years, but it could be any sort of time, whether it's minutes, hours, weeks, etc. So let's look at the first problem, which tells us that we have $9,000 in an account with an interest rate of 8%. How much will be in the account after 17 years? Now, annual tells us that that's how much our interest rate is a year. So we have a starting value, which is 9,000, and we have a rate or a percentage, which is 8%. Now we need to divide that by 100 and express it as a decimal, which would be 0.08. And we also have our x, which is 17 years. So what we do is that we do 9,000 and then 1 plus 0.08 to the power of 17. And so putting that into the calculator, we have 9,000, and inside parentheses 1 plus 0.08 to the power of 17. If you put it exactly as it appears, we come up with 33,302 or 20 cents. So that would be our answer there.